Welcome to the AM briefing video presented by microstrader.com, where together we trade better.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday, January the 24th. This week's verse, 1 Thessalonians 5:18. Give thanks in everything, for this is God's will for you in Christ Jesus. Last week's verse was that Philippians 4:6, and it said also, give thanks in everything. And it's a repeat theme. It's one that we always need to be aware of. It helps keep our pride and our disappointment in check because we know who controls. Today's tip of the day is just absolutely true. There are easier days to trade. Sometimes you're just in this price action that is not your price action. For me, I loathe when price touches a level, it hangs out there 12, 15 minutes and then gets a move on. I just don't like those days, and that was yesterday for me. It was another no trade day for me, which was the proper call for me. Should I be trading? Not when you're recovering from the flu and all you really want to do is go back to bed. But the tip of the day, yep, there are easier days to trade. You don't have to force it. Wait till the price action favors your system. So today's Friday. We do have a couple news drivers here after the opening. Friday rules are in full effect. Don't give your week back. You've had a bad week. Today is not the day to try to make it back, in my humble opinion. It is a green trading day. Go for it. We will be live in our group this morning as well. Next week, news drivers. Well, next week we got FOMC there in the middle of the week on Wednesday and PCE on Friday. So we definitely have some news drivers in the hopper for next week. So this is where we were yesterday. We were tap dancing on this high time frame trend line. We have literally talked about every day this week. And my advice to my traders was careful countering the fact that we're coming off of a high time frame level. In other words, I wouldn't be looking to short this until we have broken that with some vengeance. And then we continued laddering. That, of course, did not present. Not looking for shorts. And you have to know bulls were in control. We're bouncing off a high time frame level. And boy, did the bulls win once again. Somewhere earlier in the week, I gave you our strong level here, this 49.25. There was a RTH high here, which happened to be an FOMC high, I believe, and an Asia high here. In the last minutes of the day, just straight up, no manipulation at all in the market. No. There's none. And went up there and took both of those highs and that strong level. And I believe that strong level is going to be the key level today. This is the level where price could rotate back into the range, in my humble opinion. In fact, I pointed out to the group there, I would have loved to have taken this short here, but it was right as the market was closing. I'm not going to do it. Then it came and took out the RTH liquidity, making new high. And now what have we done? Well, we've bounced off that strong level again. We appear to maybe be breaking underneath this trend line. So very interesting. To me, all of this hinges on this 49.25. It's pretty much longs above, and it could very well be shorts below to rotate back into the range. So it's like any other day. What are your targets below? Well, you want to be targeting minimum the half back of this day. And then let's take back some RTH lows, dude. Let's take back some RTH lows. It's been a monster run. Time to take some profit. We rotated all the way back to the top of the range. And like I said, this 49.25 to me holds the.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.